What's up, everybody? Welcome to this video tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a dropshipping store with WooCommerce in 2024 step by step. Whether you're new to dropshipping or looking to switch to WooCommerce, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process. So let's dive right in. First things, you will need to download WooCommerce plugin for your WordPress site and get started by creating your account. In WordPress, go to extensions and look for WooCommerce extensions. Here we'll find the tools we need to connect with our dropshipping supplier. For this tutorial, we're using CJ Dropshipping. Head over to cjdropshipping.com and create an account. You can use your Google, Facebook, or email account.
After login, you're gonna see something like this, and basically you just need to go to your browser, your dashboard, and the first thing that you need to do is connect your website with the plugin WooCommerce that we installed before with your store. So basically you need to add the store and type your URL from your website. So basically we're gonna do here, okay, Danica.com. It's going to accept it. And here's a little form that you need to fill it depending on your nets. Okay, and here you got an example as a clothing store, for example. Okay, so once you press continue, you can see something like this. That is the WooCommerce. You just need to approve it, and after some seconds, you're going to see the magic from here. Okay, basically you see the authorization that is success. Okay, so the next step is to, for example, let's make a search for the t-shirt for our store. Okay, um, okay, let's, for example, this one, and we're gonna see like, okay, I like this one, so we're gonna click on it. Okay. And basically, this is how it looks like, the product itself, with all the features, the description, prices, this kind of things. But let's go to for another one, okay, that I like so much, like this, for example. So the idea is to have something like this. So let's go to click on it, and we need to add to fill the information from here. Okay, here you got this our store, and then select the category. This categories comes up from the WordPress. Okay, so if you create more categories, you're gonna see like you're gonna see them here. Okay, text. Hold on. Well, text also coming from WordPress, but you can create it as well from here. Okay, for example, this, I don't know, this one. Okay. Also, you need to create, for example, as well the prices and add the text. Okay, so let's go to prices, and here you can see in a list of the prices of the same product with different colors, sizes, and this kind of things. So this is the cost from your provider, and you're gonna select, for example, like this price. Okay, and that's okay. And let's give a rise. All right. So after some time, okay, if you come back to your WordPress site, okay, this is the main site of your store. Let's go into products. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, okay, there you go. So basically, you just import the product itself from the cjdropshipping.com to your store or WooCommerce site. And this is how it looks like once it comes up. Okay, let's going to close this. Okay, now, okay, let's go back to your website. And this is how it looks like. Okay, basically is this. Also, as my site is in Spanish, let's go to choose English. And there you go. Okay, so Once the person purchase something from your store, automatically you're going to see that um, section from your cjdropshipping.com dashboard. Okay, so the idea is to receive uh, the payment through your bank account. Okay, directly purchase it from your store, and the CJ drop shipping provider are going to sell the product to your client.
Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing tips on dropshipping with WooCommerce. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Happy dropshipping, and I'll see you in the next video.